think there's a number of new ways in which we can approach old problems, and I think there's a lot of underutilized tools at our disposal, whether that's using more commercial elements and getting some of those people that actually profit indirectly from some of these wildlife crimes within the realm of the legislation and regulations, or whether it's going a little bit more tough on these people and trying to couple their activities more closely to the criminal law. I think the problem we face is that we're dealing with two different types of criminality. So illegal fishing is very, very different to the fisheries crime that's recognized by the United Nations and most law enforcement agencies. And trying to couple the two things together has been a real challenge in practice. And at the same time, it runs the risk of potentially undermining the original intent of very specific regulations, while also undermining the original intent of the IUU type of paradigm as well.